Hello my friends, it's Mujiba here. I'm going to be creating a pie on Trading 212 with the purpose of doubling my investment within 5 years. And I'm going to be adding 3 ETFs to the pie and 1 REIT to the pie. So there are going to be 4 instruments in the pie. So let's get started. Create new pie. Build a custom pie. Add instruments. And the first ETF I'm going to add to this pie is ticker symbol EQQQ, which is the Invesco EQQQ Nasdaq 100. And I'm going to go for the distributed option on the London Stock Exchange. Add this one. And the next ETF is going to be IWFQ, which is iShares Edge MSCI World Quality Factor, the accumulated version on the London Stock Exchange. So I'm going to add this one. And the next ETF I'm going to add is ticker symbol EUE. And okay, I'm going to go for this one, the distributed one on the London Stock Exchange. So all the dividends get reinvested back into the ETF. So, and the next one is going to be a REIT, which is going to be ticker symbol O, which is realty income. This pays a monthly dividend, which will fuel this pie. So put that in there. That's it. And now I'm going to balance this out. Let's see how I want to do it. We've got 20. This one 20. And this one 20. I want to put more into the realty income one. So 80. Okay. 40% into realty income, 20% into iShares Core Euro 50, and 20% into iShares Edge MSCI World Quality Factor, and 20% into the Invesco EQQ Nasdaq 100. So this is the pie setup. And I'm going to go for manual investing. Next, I'm going to call it, give it a name, call it double money in 5 years. Double my money in 5 years. Double my money in 5 years. Okay, create pie. Okay, now I need to invest into the pie. So I'm going to put in £200 into the pie. for now, £200 is going into the pie. Confirm. Okay, let's look at the holdings. We're still investing. Okay, it's done now. So if I look at the holdings, okay, £79.92 has gone into realty income, and £39.92 into the next instrument, which is a ETF, and the same in the next ETF, and the same in the next ETF. So it's got 3 ETFs and 1 REIT. So if I go through these ETFs, so this is this ETF, and if I look at the 1-year return on this is 30.22%. Okay, let's get back to the next one. So if I look at 1-year return on this one is 9.24%. And the next one, 1-year return is 21.31%. And on realty income, this pays out a monthly dividend, so it's actually in the negative for last year. So I'm using these 3 ETFs and this monthly income REIT to fund this, to work this pie, and I'll be adding money into this pie from time to time, and the goal is to double my money in 5 years. Whatever I put in there, after 5 years that amount should be doubled. So if I put in £100 in January 2025, January 2026, January 2027, January 2028, January 2029, January 2030, it should be doubled. So that's the aim of, that's the goal of this pie. So for now, I've put in £200 into the pie, and I'll be adding money into it on a regular basis, and the goal is to double my money in 5 years from the time I put my money into it. So I'll keep on adding money into this pie, and I'll show you how it's coming along. And if we look at my investments, okay, where is this pie sitting? Oh, there it is. Double my money in 5 years, and it's got a total investment of 199.64. It's gone into the green already, but this is going to fluctuate. I'm not too concerned about that much at the moment. It should grow over time. And most of my investments are held within pies on trading 212. And so far I've invested 8,400, and my investment value is 8,459. 8,459 59 and a total return of £258.36 and a return rate of 12.9%. Okay, that's for the overall investments within my Trading 212 Stocks and ISA account. And the purpose of this pie that I've created just now is to double my money in 5 years. Everything that goes inside this pie, not the whole investments within my account, but just inside this pie. I would like to double it using these instruments that I've carefully selected. Okay, this is all for my own investment purposes, and it should not be taken as financial advice, as in all my videos. I'm not a qualified financial advisor. I'm just doing it for my own benefit. I'm doing my own, carrying out my own research and investing into my stocks ISA on Trading 212. So I'm doing my own research and using what I learned from my research to build these pies to invest into stocks. And let's see where it all goes. So I'll keep you updated on all of these pies. Thanks for watching the video.